Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M21 and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started we'll need to power off the device by holding the power key. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of them at the same time till you see the Samsung logo, at which point you can let go. And from the recovery mode, you'll want to use volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe cache partition. So right here, and once selected, confirm with the power key. Again, select yes, and you will see at the bottom cache wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once more and this will go back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.